No, but then once you come back home, you're landing to somewhere else. But no, it's not Spitfire. So, enough about that. Let's move on to another icon of the star, which is the and as we referred to earlier on in the day, it is a very special year because we are celebrating the 90th anniversary of wonderful, very, very first. What a pleasure it is to have another Spitfire with us. An aircraft that really must bring out many emotions, aerial company, amongst the older generation who have connections with Second War, a number of aircraft that literally went out in the stars over the channel and we're looking at right now and supplying those back. And that's what's extraordinary. So many stories in the background of many of them committed to flying you as well. This aircraft on Peter Monk's wonderful Biggin Hill Heritage Hangar, where you can fly in Spitfire. I've flown with his team up there as well. What you do is go to flyspitfire.com and you can register yourself and get a flight in one of the machines that we run there. It's got a great legacy, this particular aircraft. Really, really important piece, and rose by something of a legend here today in the form of Airshow. He's got a massive amount of experience. I know we'll be enjoying every minute that he has in his sky here today with MK9, half an order of 1,800 aircraft dated back to 1944. The half of the bombing factory First operation station now is the number 1 and 3 squadron to London, June 24, before going on to the 4 squadron then in August, before the subsequent step to the South African airport. These are the direct career photos to prepare many pilots and of course the design absolutely spot on, uniquely framed for the lights, the real pleasure to drive, and lovely gunlight on every very long days, we put our different cabins to champion operators, burning, of course also uniquely suffering, overheating many times, have to be very cautious. But having control absolute reliable rolling, wonderful mine rate, and of course the speed of the length of the machine, the mine rating with the different engines, a real platform. There are concerns with lines of memory of number 121 after the 25 scoring. 1 scoring and the 2 months they went to find the so the first count is the drive on the county warning. Recognize practice their rather than next city and late on the aircraft. Flying off this aircraft always in the service and then service. too long. And still forward. Perfect job. Here recording now is behind, high up, still guiding, and recording to the final pass. All fast around the equation. It's very fast, big fast, here we're some way down, you see the top side, then you go downwards there. What a wonderful, wonderful